The journey of the iPhone, from the first iPhone to the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. Narration: the iPhone, a name synonymous with cutting-edge technology and sleek design, has come a long way since its debut in 2007. But how did it all begin? The story of the iPhone starts with Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, and his vision to create a device that could combine a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator. Apple continued to innovate with each release, enhancing features such as camera quality, battery life, and processing power. Over the years, the iPhone became more than just a phone. It became a status symbol, a personal assistant, and a powerful tool for creativity and productivity. Now, let's fast forward to the latest marvel in the iPhone series, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max represents the pinnacle of Apple's technology. It's packed with groundbreaking features that make it a must-have for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. 1. Stunning display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, with ProMotion technology that delivers ultra-smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. 2. Powerful performance. Powered by the latest A18 Bionic chip, this iPhone offers lightning-fast performance, making multitasking and gaming incredibly smooth. The chip is also designed with AI in mind, improving everything from photography to battery optimization. 3. Professional camera system. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a 4.8MP main camera, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto options, allowing for stunning photos and videos, even in low light. The new Astro mode lets you capture breathtaking night skies with professional clarity. 4. Extended battery life. With up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, this iPhone is designed for users who are always on the go. It also supports faster wireless charging, making it more convenient than ever. 5. Advanced security. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with enhanced Face ID technology and the introduction of an under-display Touch ID for added security options. 6. iOS 18. Running on iOS 18, the latest version of Apple's operating system, this phone offers a more intuitive user experience, with added customization options and privacy features that give users more control over their data. The iPhone 16 Pro Max stands as a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. From its humble beginnings in 2007 to this technological masterpiece, the iPhone continues to evolve, shaping the future of mobile technology.
Yeah.